Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I will love to share with you guys how you can wear your tampons. Okay, it looks so funny, but I agree there will be a lot of people that know how to use tampons, and there will be a lot of people also that doesn't have any clue or any idea how to use their tampons during their period. So I would love to share with you guys step by step, and it's a very straight video and it's a very straight procedure. Okay, this is my tampons here. Okay guys, when you get it, you have to open it. I've already used this. Okay, and some of them you see the instruction how you can use it. Okay, so it comes this way and there's instruction here that follow it. So you will like to check the instruction. You don't have to buy this product. There's a lot of different tampons or products outside there for our period. Okay, and it looks this way, and you want to open it here. Okay, and it comes with this rope. This rope means after some hours, it depends how your blood's gushing out, how your period. Some people have a light period and some people have a heavy period. Okay, if you are the type of person who have a heavy period like me, you will use something like super. Can you see it? 1 2 3 super. And some people use extra super. I use super, and some people use light super. So you follow this dot. If it's 1 2 3, this absorbs a lot of period. Okay, it absorbs a lot of liquid that's coming out from our private parts. And if you have a lighter one, you might go to 2 super and so on and so forth. Okay, so it's come that way. You can get any branch. Okay guys, and it comes this way. When this is full, you will know, and you pull this out of your private part. Okay, when you want to use it, you can be looking at it that what is this. Okay, when you just go this way, when the other part grab it and you want to pull this. Okay, you can see the way I pull it, and you push it out this way, and this your stuff, your clip will grab this immediately, and that's it. You don't need this anymore. And my tissue, when you are in the toilet, this is kitchen towel. So when it's inside, when you know that you will know when it's full. Anyway, you will be uncomfortable. When it's full, you will know. So it's already inside, and you notice that it's already full. And 1 2, and you pull, and immediately you put it inside the tissue. You can't flush this, and you put it in your sanitary bag, and you put it in your waistband. Depends, I don't know the continent you are living, depends the law and your being people. So you just dispose it, and you can see, and you wash your hands, and immediately you wash your hands, and you moisturize your hands. And I hope this my video tutorial today help you guys. If it help you, share my video, like my video, let me know what you think guys, and subscribe to my video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Bye for now.